Hey guys, welcome back to Digit.in, and yes, this is the phone that everybody is waiting for. This is one of the most anticipated phones of this year. Yes, this is the OnePlus 6 and we are going to unbox this phone. So let's begin. So the first thing that you see the moment you open the box is the phone itself and of course the notch on top. But turn it around, it's a whole new phone altogether. It's almost a mirror, you can see your face on it, but there's also a lot of fingerprint smudges that's going to come on this body. But keeping the phone aside and looking inside, we expect something, the manual and everything, but I think this is a TPU case. Yes, a TPU case is very much needed considering this is a glass back and more or less a fingerprint magnet. You get the SIM tray remover, the manual, and that's the bright red dash charge cable. It is of course USB type C. Okay, this one is taking a bit too long. That is the dash charge adapter. Now moving on to the specifications, the OnePlus 6 sports a 6-inch display with a 19:9 aspect ratio. This time it is slightly increased thanks to the notch on top. Underneath is a Snapdragon 845 chipset clocked at a max speed of 2.8 GHz. It is again the new octa-core chipset of 8 series, which means it's a flagship series chipset by Qualcomm. There's 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and you get 128 GB of storage. The storage is again top of class of UFS 2.0, and turn it around, you get a dual camera setup. This time the camera setup has moved to the center, it's vertically aligned as well. You get the same 16 megapixel plus 20 megapixel sensors at the back, but the sensor size is increased inside. On the front you get a 16 megapixel camera as well. So yes, this is the OnePlus 6. It looks more exquisite than ever. I think it's become even more premium, but it remains to be seen whether this is indeed going to be the flagship killer. We'll be filing our first impressions and the review video very soon, so stay tuned. And for more videos like this, please subscribe to Digit.in.